everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make some sugar skull earrings perfect for Dia de Muertos? Video, we'll be designing with the newest Softlex company design kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza, Dia de Muertos. And these are all the beads included in the kit. I am just using 2 eye pins and 3 head pins. We're using the crystals from the bead mix from Stars Beads and Bedoria, the exclusive sugar skull bead, and then one of the check glass flowers. And you got 2 of them in the kit, and they were a mystery of which ones you received. And I will leave a link down below in the description for the unboxing for this TGBE kit. And this is our cute little earring we'll be making. And if this is too big or too long for an earring, you can always use it as a pendant for your designs. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also down below in the description, I will leave links to all other Dia de los Muertos tutorials and designs I created with this wonderful kit. Let's start creating. Move my beads here out of the way. So we're going to need our head pins, and we're just going to be making wrapped loops. And I am using my one-step looper in a 1.5 millimeter. And you can make your own head pins if you would like to. Do like a little wire wrap swirl or a little design on the bottom. So we're going to have one bead on each of the head pins. We're going to slide them into our one-step looper and give it a squeeze. And this is going to give us a perfect loop every time. And then I'm going to go back with my round nose pliers and make sure that all my loops are secure. I wouldn't want to lose any of my little dangles on my earring. So we're going to take our round nose pliers and just close up all the little loops. Once they're secure, we're going to grab an eye pin. And you can also make your own eye pins out of Softlex craft wire. They have so many different colors, and you can find one that will match your design. So we're going to add on all 3 of our little dangles. More dangles to add, you might want to add it to a jump ring or consider making your own eye pin, and that way you can make your loop a little bit bigger on the bottom. So we're just going to close up our eye pin. I just like to take my other pliers and just make sure it's completely closed. We're going to put on our sugar skull, and we're going to make a loop again with our one-step loopers. Give it a squeeze. Bring in our round nose pliers and make sure it is secure. You're going to grab one more of our eye pins, open up our little loop, and attach it to our sugar skull and give it a close. And by doing this technique, it just kind of gives spacing for all of your designs. And then we're going to add on our flower. And with the eye pins connected to each other instead of a jump ring, they move a little bit more freely. And then we're going to take our one-step looper again and give our final squeeze. And I know with the flowers, sometimes it's hard to get the looper just because they're kind of scalloped edges. So as long as you kind of have that first bend, you're just going to take your round nose pliers and round it to your loop. We're going to take our ear wire. And since the beads and charms are two-sided, it doesn't matter which side you add it onto, your ear wire. And then we're just going to give it a close. Our beautiful Dia de los Muertos earrings using the newest Softlex company design kit for the Great Bead Extravaganza. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And also check out down below in the description for all other tutorials using this design kit and all other earring inspiration. Have an awesome day.